everyone, and welcome back to Anytime Español. Today, we're going to talk about the verb rendir in Spanish.
Now, this verb can feel confusing at first because it has several different meanings depending on the context, such as yielding or producing a result. It could be just giving up on something or submitting something like a report or an explanation. So let's break each one down.
But first, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you still haven't.
And check out the description of this video below for all of our links where you can check out our website, our memberships, where we're constantly creating new exclusive content for our members, as well as Buy Me a Coffee, where you can donate directly to the channel if you'd like to support our work.
Okay, rendir can mean to yield or produce with respect to results, profit, benefits, or interest.
Yeah, as Darcy says, this can be used in a wide variety of examples because although the main idea is simply to yield or produce something, that result could be success, benefits, money, or outcomes. So, for example, we could say something like, this investment is yielding good profits this year.
Esta inversión está rindiendo buenas ganancias este año.
The new strategy produced better results than expected.
La nueva estrategia rindió mejores resultados de lo esperado.
That savings account doesn't yield much interest.
Esa cuenta de ahorros no rinde mucho interés.
So you can see in all three of those examples, we were always yielding or producing some result, but it could be result like an outcome as well as interest or profits. Now, sometimes we don't always have to actually translate directly to yielding or producing. We could say something like this: all his effort finally paid off.
Todo su esfuerzo finalmente rindió frutos.
So if you're a little confused by seeing this rindió frutos, it's because rendir frutos is a common Spanish expression meaning that effort produces some result. It's similar to how we say in English, like to pay dividends. So, new expression you can start using today.
Rendir can also mean to perform, either well or poorly.
And in this way, rendir can describe how someone performs at work, in school or in sports, or any other activity. So, for example, lately, I've been performing really well at work.
Últimamente he estado rindiendo muy bien en el trabajo.
If you don't rest enough, you won't perform during the exam.
Si no descansas lo suficiente, no vas a rendir durante el examen.
The team performed badly in the second half of the game and lost.
El equipo rindió mal en la segunda mitad del partido y perdieron.
Anna performs better in the mornings than in the evenings.
Ana rinde mejor por las mañanas que por las noches.
Now, in this case, where rendir means to perform, notice in our examples that you could use rendir by itself, but also with several adverbs like bien, mal, or mejor. So there's a lot of different ways to use rendir like this. Now, rendir can also mean to be enough or to last with respect to money, time, food, or energy. So in this use, rendir means that something lasts or stretches out further than what was expected. So for example, we could say something like, this meal is enough for 4 people.
Esta comida rinde para 4 personas.
My salary doesn't last until the end of the month.
Mi sueldo no rinde hasta fin de mes.
If you plan well, your time will go a long way.
Si te organizas bien, tu tiempo va a rendir más.
This battery lasts all day if you don't use it too much.
Esta batería rinde todo el día si no la usas mucho.
So in all those cases, we could see that here rendir really means something is enough, or whether or not it lasts long enough than expected, or if it stretches out and is enough for a certain amount of time.
Rendir can also mean to submit or present, such as a report, account, or an explanation.
Now, this use is more formal and often used in more professional or official contexts. So, for example, the manager has to submit a report at the end of the week.
El gerente tiene que rendir un informe al final de la semana.
Bob presented his explanation to the committee.
Bob rindió su explicación ante el comité.
The officers gave an account of everything that happened during the operation.
Los oficiales rindieron cuentas de todo lo que ocurrió durante la operación.
The accountant will submit the financial statements before the deadline.
El contador rendirá los estados financieros antes del plazo. Before going on to our last usage, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you still haven't.
And don't forget to click that join button here to become a member of our community and receive exclusive Spanish content and benefits. And speaking of new members, a big shout out to Andre Woodson for becoming a YouTube member. Gracias, primo.
Okay, now, rendirse means to give up or surrender.
Oh, interesting. Okay, so when rendir becomes reflexive, rendirse, it changes the meaning completely. But why is that? Well, remember that reflexive verbs reflect back onto the subject, back onto the speaker. So now, instead of producing results outwardly, the idea shifts inwards. Now we're not producing results, we're not resisting. That's why it means that we're giving up or we're surrendering. So some examples using rendirse could be something like, after trying to find the missing screw for hours, they finally gave up.
Después de buscar el tornillo perdido durante horas, finalmente se rindieron.
Don't give up learning a language just because it's difficult at the beginning.
No te rindas en aprender un idioma solo porque es difícil al principio.
The pirate surrendered and lowered the flag after seeing the armada.
El pirata se rindió y bajó la bandera después de ver a la armada.
I give up on my diet every time I see ice cream at the supermarket.
Me rindo con la dieta cada vez que veo helado en el súper.
And that's it. Drop a comment to practice using your favorite form of rendir.
And now watch this video to keep improving your Spanish.
Until next time.